I like to make fun of your windows, but wow.
We need to see your windows.
Yeah, I was gonna say, Janice just saw them, and she was like, Emma's really good at cleaning windows. Jonathan is shaking his head. Why is it doing that? Why is your squeegee that bad?
Can we get Emma out here?
Oh, I think I had it backwards. I think it matters.
She can't play.
Let's do here, and I'm just gonna start farther back. So let's see. If I'm a director, I'm just gonna ask you to take your right hand shoulder and come my way with too much. Yeah. So just give
Well,
me
I
a
was
little-
standing like this,
Yeah.
so you want me to straight on?
Well, no, I don't want you to straight on. I just want you to like a little bit tilt. Does that make sense? All right.
Just randomly started.
Great work, guys. I'm
So-
getting some good shots.
Should she be in the very? That's actually a really nice smile. Like,
It's a good smile that Jesus gave you.
So-
Good job, Megan, for having a good smile that Jesus gave you.
So I'm gonna have you take your cup, take your hand, and naturally hold your coffee cup for a second. Okay, that's good. Tilt kind of forward on your hips. There you go. And then a little bit, put your chin just down. There you go. Okay,
Thanks for cleaning
relax.
that window. It makes my
dramatic
shot
wind.
look better.
Relax your. I hate you. So relax your smile. Just no teeth. Let's do no smile. Just reflective. How about take your coffee cup? Let's do a different. Yeah. Yep.
Is it
Tilt
good?
a little bit.
Tilt
Yeah,
at the
you
hips?
did it. And then tilt your chin down just a little. There you go. Oh my gosh, that's perfect. Chin down just a little. Okay, good. Nice, nice. Relax. Big smile. Good.
Like, I can't believe you don't have better drainage in your yard.
I didn't know you guys were coming for photos. I would have regraded my
Your
yard.
house is essentially a studio. I love how we're gonna make this all Micah's fault. Also, our houses are equally bad. I definitely think this wall is gonna be too busy.
Okay.
But we will just take a couple of them. Are you okay with sitting on the stool? Oh, it's raining. I'll sit on it first.
Weird how that works when it rains. Stuff gets wet.
I wish we had like a towel or something. So, oh, no, that's really wet. That's not gonna. Oh,
Is it really, really?
like soaking.
Oh, gosh.
Just kidding. I'm not gonna do.
Just pretend.
Stand about where the stool is, though. So, yeah. Okay, so I'm actually gonna have you do some where you do look that direction because I did actually like that side profile. So all the way your head, all the way that was like not your whole body, just turn your head.
Just my head.
Yeah, that's right. Just stay looking that way. Are you sure? Don't video in my butt because it's wet.
Wasn't going to. Don't flatter yourself.
Okay, if you were actually videoing my butt, we were gonna have more problems.
That's
I'd
some
be like,
Josh Duggar shit right
yeah. Did not get that on tape. I meant her face. I didn't take a picture of her face
there.
right when you
Yeah,
said that.
I did though.
I'm gonna try to shoot through some of these. So go over just a little bit. Yeah, I actually like this lot. It's on your hips a little. Chin down just a little. Kind of tilt your head. Yeah, that's good. A little less tilt.
I was like, that feels really weird.
There you go. Okay, relax, smile. Good. Nice. I see you look for that and then adjust it, and it's good. Let's go. Let's put you inside.